Hey everybody, this is Long 13 here. Cheers, bitches. I just wanted to do a quick update on my skull shifter knob. I mean, it's cool, but there's one problem with it. See, the shifter lever in the Jeep is angled, so it's always pointing down like this. You know, you don't really get to see a lot of it because it's pointing down, and that's in first gear. So when you're in second gear, you know, it's like that. So I love it, but I can't see it when I'm driving. So I got me another one, and this is a different style, but as you can see, it's angled. See? So when this is on the lever, it's pointing up. You know what I'm saying? So when it's straight up and down in the hole, it's angled. You know? It's like that. And I wanted to show you my new powder. I got some blue. Check out the blue. This is the blue magic dust. And then you've already seen the green magic dust. So what I did was, I mixed them together. So this is the color that I got. It's kind of a blue. See? I don't know if you can tell in the camera. But here's the one that's just the green. Maybe you can tell this way. This is the green. This is the blue. Hopefully you can tell the difference. I can tell the difference. See the blue on this side and the green on this side? So once it dries, it's going in the Jeep. And I guess the old one, I don't know, maybe I'll try to put it on my shifter knob on my Triumph maybe. So we'll see. But hopefully you can tell the difference here. See, the hole is straight up and down on this one, and this one's going to be at an angle. So it's going to be pointing more up than the other one was. I mean, I love this one, don't get me wrong. This one's cool as hell. But the angle, you can't see it. So maybe, if it'll fit, I might put it on here. And if it'll fit, that'll be badass. I'll love it better than the crystal ball. I might have to take that off and see if it'll fit. I hope it does. I really doubt it will, though. I mean, what are the odds of it fucking fitting is like, it's not gonna fit. The odds is like insane. I think it fits. Son of a bitch. How cool is that? That is awesome. I never would have thought in a million years that would have fit. So that's going on the Triumph now, bitches. I don't know if I'll put it this way. Look at that. That's fucking awesome. I've been thinking about that all day, hoping it would fit, and it fucking fits. And you guys didn't even get to see it. Let me show you. That's cool. Check it out. It fits on the fucking Triumph now. Boom. One mistake becomes a new. That's fucking cool. I didn't think that motherfucker would fit either. And it does. That's awesome. Yeah, bitches. I didn't think that motherfucker would fit either. That is cooler than shit. I don't know if I'm pointing it forward or just leave it like that. That is cool. Well, I'll do a little bit of editing, but hopefully you guys will enjoy this. That's cool. Anyway, this is a long video, but fuck it. I'm a happy bitch. So I'm gonna drink me a shot of tequila. 1800. might as well celebrate. I don't need no reason to celebrate. That's a big fucking shot, bitches. Yeah. I was hoping that shifter knob would fit on the fucking Triumph. Yeah, that's fucking cool. Wow. Awesome. I'm glad you guys got to see a mistake turn out to be an awesome thing. Cheers, bitches. So this is Long 13 here. Hoping you like my projects. Cheers, bitches.